Yes. So JEE mains and NEET aspirants. So the hybridization, one trick, okay, easy trick of calculated hybridization in the organic molecule. So the hybridization is equal number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pairs. The calculate of hybridization ethane, each one carbon. Ethane formula C2H6. So the complete of structure of ethane, this is the structure. So each one carbon having 3 hydrogen atoms and in between the carbon sigma bond. So what is the formula of hybridization? Number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pairs. So in the ethane molecule all are bonding pairs. So the single bond is sigma. This is a sigma and sigma and sigma and sigma. This carbon is sp3 hybridization. This carbon sigma and sigma and sigma and sigma. How many sigma bonds? 4 sigma. This carbon also sp3 hybridization. So 2 sigma bonds is the sp2 hybridization. 3 sigma bonds is the sp. 2 sigma is sp hybridization. 3 sigma is sp2 hybridization. 4 sigma is sp3 hybridization. So these are the sigma bonds. Sigma bonds. Next one, this is the hybridization. This sigma bonds. Next one, this is the hybridization. 2 sigma is equal sp hybridization. 3 sigma sp2 hybridization. 4 sigma sp3 hybridization. So this carbon is having to the 4 single bond, each one single bond is sigma. 4 sigma bond is sp3 hybridization. Another carbon atom is also sp3 hybridization. So another examples. Second one, propane. Propane. So propane formula is C3H8. So the structure of the propane CH3 and CH2 and CH3. So the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. The first carbon is 4 sigma bonds, sigma, 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 sigma. So this is the sp3 hybridization. So this carbon is sigma, 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 sigma. It is also sp2, sp3 hybridization. This carbon is sigma, 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 sigma. It is also sp3 hybridization. So another example, benzene. Another example, benzene. Benzene formula C6H6. So the cyclic aromatic compound, carbon and carbon, 6 carbon, 6 hydrogen atom. So each one carbon is bonded in the alternate position of double and single bond. Double and single bond. 6 carbons and the 6 hydrogens. So each one carbon having, so this carbon is sigma, sigma, double bond is containing 1 sigma and another 5. So this is the sigma. This carbon is how many sigma bonds? 1, 2, 3. So 3 sigma bonds is the sp2 hybridization. So its carbon is sp2 hybrid. This carbon also sigma, sigma and sigma. This is the sp2 hybridization. 3 sigma. This carbon also sp2 hybridization. This carbon is sp2 hybridization. This carbon is sp2 hybridization. This carbon is sp2 hybridization. Overall, benzene, all carbon atom undergoing to the sp2 hybridization. The benzene, so hybridization of in benzene, carbon is sp2 hybridization. Okay, change.